As we embark on a new year, many of us are looking for ways to improve ourselves and achieve greater success in our personal and professional lives. Whether you're starting a new career, launching a business, or simply looking to take your life to the next level, here are 5 ways to be more successful in 2023. 1. Set clear goals and create a plan. One of the most important things you can do to be successful is to set clear, achievable goals and create a plan to reach them. Your goals should be specific, measurable, and time-bound. This means that they should be well-defined and have a deadline attached to them. Once you have your goals in place, create a plan that outlines the steps you need to take to achieve them. Break your goals down into smaller, more manageable tasks and set deadlines for each one. 1. Focus on your strengths. To be successful, it's important to focus on your strengths rather than your weaknesses. Identify the things that you're good at and that bring you joy, and find ways to incorporate them into your work and daily life. This will help you stay motivated and engaged, and you'll be more likely to achieve success as a result. 1. Build a support network. Success is rarely achieved alone. Building a support network of mentors, colleagues, friends, and family members can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and your abilities, and who will provide encouragement and support when you need it. 1. Be resilient and learn from failure. No one achieves success without encountering failure along the way. It's important to be resilient and learn from your mistakes and setbacks. Instead of giving up when things get tough, use each failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. Analyze what went wrong, and use that knowledge to make better decisions in the future. 1. Take care of yourself. Success is not just about achieving your goals, it's also about taking care of yourself. This means getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and exercising regularly. Taking care of yourself physically and mentally will help you stay energized and focused, and will ultimately make you more successful in all areas of your life. In conclusion, there are many ways to be more successful in 2023, but the key is to set clear goals, focus on your strengths, build a support network, be resilient, and take care of yourself. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving your dreams and becoming the best version of yourself.